Have you ever wondered why a ball appears to be deflected to the right of the catcher when throwing the ball on a rotating merry-go-round? Well, the Coriolis effect explains this phenomenon. So what exactly is the Coriolis force? The Coriolis force is a fricative force due to the rotation of the Earth. However, this force acts different in the different hemispheres of the Earth. In the northern hemisphere, it causes a deflection to the right of the motion, and in the southern hemisphere to the left of the motion. Using Gaspard-Gustav de Coriolis mathematically formulated in 1835, we can understand how the Coriolis force works. The Coriolis parameter is defined by F equals 2 omega sine phi. Phi stands for latitude, where at 0 degrees it represents the equator, and at 90 degrees the North Pole, and at negative 90 degrees it represents the South Pole. Some facts that demonstrate that the Coriolis force is a function of latitude are that Coriolis force peaks at the poles and is 0 at the equator. The omega is a rotation rate of the Earth, in which it is 7.3 times 10 to the negative 5 per second. And the phi is the latitude, being positive in the northern hemisphere and negative in the southern hemisphere. Using this basic knowledge of the Coriolis force, we are going to explain some questions regarding the Coriolis force. Question number 1. Why would wind pick up speed and turn to the right as it blows over a large lake? In the northern hemisphere, water has a lower friction coefficient than compared to land. A lower friction causes wind to speed up, which in turn increases the Coriolis effect, which subsequently deflects wind to the right. Question number 2. Why would it be incorrect to state that as a cruising ship crosses the equator, the water in a bathtub will now drain in the opposite direction due to the Coriolis force? Firstly, the Coriolis force is not present at the equator and is only in effect going away from the equator. Secondly, the Coriolis force has a very small effect which measures effects only over large distances and typically works on the movement of air masses. Now, I hope you guys have enjoyed the fun and innovative presentation brought to you by Nolufa, Thermohol, and Sarmadat.